boys, welcome to the video. We're the three bros. Yo, say hi, Sam.
Hey. I got 22 again.
Yeah, he got 22 in Paco. He got 22 in Paco. He's so mad. That would be his record.
What?
22. Yeah, you video me. I'm gonna go for a little pogo sesh. I'm going for a little pogo sesh.
Frick this game, bro.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna go for a little pogo sesh. Tram sesh now, boys. Pogo sesh. Boys, I'm gonna hit that tree. Okay, let me try again, boys. Okay, 3. I fell off almost. Here, boys.
Go here.
The tug. My arm's kind of stuck. There's a little pond right here, boys. Well, you want to go down to the pond? But Sam, me and Sam are gonna go down to the pond.
Try and bring the pogo stick. If you want to come, bring the pogo stick.
But this is where me and my friends just play all the time. But we don't really do this anymore. But you just want. This is probably gonna be the only video of the day.
This is the only video of the day. Yeah.
Well, second, pretty much, but like first, actual video. Yo, boys. Gang. I mean, that's bad. Don't say that.
You're doing good. I'm gonna do good on my end.
Hey, it's a rat.
I'm gonna do a video. So, you pause for a second. That was good.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now you can talk.
Yeah, okay. Little trail. I want to go down to the pond, but I still want to get my shoes ready. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna actually go down here. This is a little pond. It's a really nice pond. You just can't swim in it. That's the thing. It's dirty and stuff, but it looks pretty cool. Sam, are we allowed to touch the water? Yeah, you can't. I'm not gonna do it. Sam! Wait, what? Bro, what? Sam, can I jump this fence? Sam? Okay, I'm gonna jump. Oh, there's a giant ducks. That's pretty cool. Need that in my baby boys. Orange band. It's zoomed out, right? Yeah. Now it is. Like, yeah. Sam! Hit up a flip quick. I'm gonna record it. Here, Sam, I'll hold your iPad. He's gonna do a quick flip. Sam, you can. Oh. No, you do a quick flip.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'll hold your iPad.
Can you do it for me? Just in a
here.
video.
I'll send my video to you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You love this.
Wait, should I do that then a back handspring?
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me move back a little bit more. Okay, go. Oh, nice. I can't do them no more. I can't do it no more, boys. I'm not kidding, I'm not old. I want to go see the duckies.
I want to do a slow-mo of them flying away. So I'm going to try to scare them. I don't want to be rude.
Okay, Sam, but send me the clip after, too. I'm going to ask him to send me clips. Should I cross them?
Can you make them fly?
I just don't know. They're going to eat me.
Just make that guy fly. That one guy.
I don't want to disturb them. Oh, no. No, they're not. I'm good, man. Little pond. Are we allowed to
There's leeches in that.
Can we touch the water?
There's leeches in that one.
Can we touch it, though?
You can get fish's itch.
What's that?
It's like a really bad itch.
Oh.
It gets kind
Hit the wall, boys.
Where did the like button though?
Huh?
Subscribe. Yeah, Sam, we posted that in 2 minutes ago. I know.
Oh. I'm stuck over here, boys.
Let's do a time lapse around, okay? Time lapse around.
Yeah, I'm
I got 36.
back in a sec. Nice. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, but I'm gonna be back in a minute. We're just gonna do a quick time lapse of us walking around, and you'll see that clip in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna just post. I'm gonna also add the. He's gonna. That's such a bad one, but who cares? He's my friend Sam. Sam, gang. He's gonna do a quick like flip. And I'm gonna post it in slow-mo. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm sending the clip to him. He's gonna add it to my video too. So pretty dope, boys. Don't do this. Like what? This is so cringy. Where's the birds? Okay, I'll see you in a sec.
Let's go.